warrior. They are walking, they holding the weapon, but the commander is on elephant. Yeah, you can see one of the commander of the army on elephant, and one man sitting just next to the head of the elephant. So we call him Muhud. Yeah, Muhud. Muhud is a person or is a man who really know or who really understand the elephant very well. The person who could tell the elephant to do this, to do that, like to attack, slow down, faster. Yeah, that we call him Muhud. Yeah, Muhud. Yeah. So the elephant just listen to this man only. Yeah. That we call him Muhud. And like I said, in the back day, there was a lot of elephants. Thousands of elephants in the mass empire. And they got the elephant from the wild, tame them, yeah? Tame the elephant, train them how to work, how to pull a stone, yeah? And also train them how to fight, yeah? How to attack. Because in the battle, they also use elephant, yeah, to attack. Yeah? And also to build a temple, they